Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Angelina D'costa and today I want to share something very important for anyone over the age of 60. As a doctor, I often see patients who feel weak, lose muscle strength, and think it's just a normal part of aging. But the truth is, you don't have to accept muscle loss as your future. There's a simple change you can make in your daily routine, starting with your morning cup of coffee, that can actually help rebuild muscles, improve recovery, and keep you active longer. In this video, I'll explain the science behind it, why it works so well after 60, and how you can start benefiting from it right away. So stay with me till the end, because this small step could make a huge difference in your health, strength, and independence. Let's get started. As we grow older, our bodies naturally go through changes, and one of the biggest challenges people face after the age of 60 is muscle loss. This condition, often called sarcopenia, is not just about looking weaker, it directly impacts strength, balance, mobility, and independence. Many seniors notice that tasks they once did easily, such as climbing stairs, carrying groceries, or even standing up from a chair, become harder with time. The main reason behind this muscle decline is a combination of factors: reduced physical activity, hormonal changes, slower protein absorption, and in some cases, chronic health conditions. If not addressed, muscle loss can lead to frailty, increased risk of falls, and a lower quality of life. But the good news is that muscle loss is not an unavoidable part of aging. With the right approach, seniors can maintain and even rebuild strength. A balanced diet, rich in protein, regular exercise focusing on resistance, and strength training, and essential nutrients like vitamin D, all play a crucial role in keeping muscles healthy. Even simple daily habits, such as walking, stretching, and lightweight exercises, can make a big difference over time. It's also important to remember that staying consistent matters more than intensity. Small, steady efforts bring the best results for seniors. By taking proactive steps, older adults can preserve their independence, reduce the risk of injuries, and enjoy a more active and fulfilling life. The secret ingredient for coffee. Coffee is more than just a morning drink, it's a ritual, a source of comfort, and for many people, the perfect way to start the day. But what if your regular cup of coffee could do more than just wake you up? What if a single secret ingredient could transform your daily brew into something healthier, more energizing, and even better for your body? In this video, we're uncovering the hidden power of adding one simple ingredient to your coffee that most people never think about. This natural booster not only enhances the flavor of your drink, but can also support digestion, improve energy levels, and help with overall wellness. For seniors especially, making small changes like this can have a big impact on health, from better circulation and focus to stronger muscles and joints. Coffee, by itself, already contains antioxidants and compounds that support brain health and metabolism. But when paired with the right ingredient, it becomes more than just a beverage, it turns into a daily health habit. The best part is, this ingredient is affordable, widely available, and can easily be added to your morning routine without any complicated steps. Whether you're someone who enjoys a strong black coffee, a smooth latte, or just a simple cup with milk, this secret addition works for every style. It's a natural way to make your coffee taste richer and provide your body with the extra nourishment it deserves. Stay tuned as we reveal this game-changing ingredient and explain how it can benefit your health, especially if you're over 60. You might never look at your morning cup the same way again. Why collagen in coffee works best. Coffee is already a favorite part of the morning routine for millions of people around the world. It helps us feel awake, focused, and ready to take on the day. But when you combine your daily cup of coffee with collagen, something truly powerful happens. This simple habit can turn your morning drink into a tool for better health, stronger joints, and youthful energy. Collagen is the most abundant protein in the human body. It supports healthy skin, flexible joints, stronger bones, and even better digestion. Unfortunately, as we age, especially after 30, our natural collagen levels begin to decline. This is why many people notice wrinkles, weaker muscles, slower recovery, and stiffness in their joints. Adding collagen to your diet is one of the best ways to fight this natural loss. So, why coffee? Because it's already a part of your daily routine. By adding collagen to your morning brew, you're creating an easy and consistent habit that your body can benefit from every single day. Collagen blends smoothly into coffee without changing the taste or texture, making it an effortless upgrade. The warmth of coffee also helps the collagen dissolve quickly, ensuring your body absorbs it efficiently. For seniors, combining collagen with coffee can be especially helpful. It supports mobility, helps maintain muscle mass, and may even improve skin elasticity. Instead of remembering another supplement, you're simply enhancing something you already enjoy. Why collagen in coffee works so well, the benefits it provides, and how you can start adding it to your routine. If you're looking for a simple, natural way to stay strong and youthful, this might be the secret you've been missing. Starting a new health habit doesn't have to be complicated. In fact, the simplest routines are often the most powerful when it comes to long-term results. Whether it's a supplement, a nutrient-rich food, or a natural ingredient like collagen, the real key to success is learning how to use it daily, in a way that feels easy and enjoyable. In this video, we'll show you practical steps on how to make this a part of your everyday life. Many people struggle to stay consistent because they try to change too much at once. The trick is to blend healthy habits into the routines you already have. For example, adding a scoop of collagen into your morning coffee, tea, or smoothie takes less than a minute, yet delivers powerful benefits for your skin, joints, muscles, and overall energy. Using it daily doesn't just improve your health, it also creates a sense of discipline and structure that your body thrives on. Over time, these small daily actions compound, leading to noticeable changes in how you feel and look. For seniors especially, consistency is everything. Making it part of your breakfast, midday snack, or evening drink ensures your body gets the support it needs without adding stress to your schedule. The beauty of this habit is flexibility. You can mix it into hot or cold drinks, stir it into soups, or even add it to baked goods. The goal is to find a method that fits seamlessly into your lifestyle. Stay tuned as we walk you through simple, creative, and effective ways to use it daily so you can enjoy lasting health benefits without ever feeling overwhelmed. Small steps today can create a stronger, healthier tomorrow. In this segment, we'll look at the actual benefits people experience when they make small, consistent changes to their daily routine, like adding collagen, eating healthier foods, or following simple lifestyle adjustments. The truth is, many people don't realize how much of a difference these habits can make until they start noticing the changes for themselves. Seniors who commit to these practices often report having more energy throughout the day, fewer aches and pains, improved joint flexibility, and even better sleep quality. For others, the benefits show up in their appearance: clearer skin, stronger hair, and healthier nails that make them feel more confident. In this video, we'll highlight these success stories and show you what's truly possible when you stay committed. If you've ever wondered whether making a small change is worth it, these real-life results prove the answer is yes. Health, energy, and confidence are all within reach, no matter your age. Here are 3 examples you can see. Story 1: Maria's mobility comeback. Maria, a 68-year-old grandmother, used to struggle with climbing stairs and felt limited in her daily activities. She decided to start adding collagen to her morning coffee and committed to short daily walks. Within a few months, she noticed her knees felt stronger and walking became easier. Today, Maria says the best part is being able to chase her grandchildren around the park without worrying about pain slowing her down. Story 2: David's energy boost. At 62, David often felt tired and sluggish throughout the day. He began making small lifestyle changes, improving his diet, and adding a scoop of collagen to his tea each morning. Slowly, his energy levels improved, and he felt more alert at work and during his evening hobbies. David now says the simple habit not only gave him more stamina but also restored his confidence in staying active. Story 3: Mary's confidence in aging gracefully. Mary, 65, wanted to age with confidence. She noticed her skin was losing elasticity and her nails were becoming brittle, After making collagen part of her daily routine, she began to see gradual improvements. Her skin looked healthier, her nails grew stronger, and she even received compliments from friends, who said she looked more radiant. For Mary, the biggest benefit wasn't just the physical change, but the self-esteem that came with it. These mini-stories show how real people benefit from small habits, without sounding like medical claims. As we reach the end of this video, let's pause for a moment and think about what we've learned together. Health, strength, and energy don't just happen by chance, they are built through the small choices we make every single day. Whether it's adding collagen to your morning coffee, making time for light exercise, or simply staying consistent with good habits, every action you take is an investment in your future self. Many people wait until they face big challenges before making changes, but the truth is, the best time to start is now. It doesn't matter if you're in your 50s, 60s, or beyond, you still have the power to make meaningful improvements. Imagine a life where you move with ease, where your joints feel supported, your energy lasts all day, and you wake up ready to do the things you love. That life is within reach, and it begins with small, daily steps. If today's video gave you new insights or motivated you to start a healthier routine, don't let it end here. Take action today. Start by trying one of the tips we discussed. It could be as simple as adding collagen into your coffee tomorrow morning, committing to a 10-minute walk, or being more mindful of your protein intake. These may seem like small adjustments, but when done consistently, they lead to real, lasting benefits. Now, I want to invite you to stay connected. If you found value in this video, please give it a thumbs up. It helps more people discover this kind of content. Subscribe to our channel if you haven't already, so you won't miss out on upcoming videos filled with tips, motivation, and practical advice for healthier living. And don't forget to tap the notification bell so you're the first to know when a new video goes live. I'd also love to hear from you. Share your thoughts, questions, or even your own experiences in the comments section below. Your story might inspire someone else who's watching today. This community is built on encouragement and shared wisdom, so let's grow together. Finally, if you know a friend or family member who could benefit from this information, share this video with them. Sometimes, the smallest piece of advice can make the biggest difference in someone's life. Remember, every day is a new opportunity to care for your body, strengthen your health, and invest in your future. Don't wait for tomorrow, start today. Stay strong, stay positive, and most importantly, stay committed to your journey toward better health. Thanks for watching. We will meet you in the next video.